So Leslie, could you please address how the UC Riverside Extension Digital Arts and Design Academy has impacted your life over the last few weeks?
Something I learned, unfortunately, at the end was the amount of concentration and focus that was really necessary to completely let this class consume you and let it take you where it's supposed to, where you get just an amazing amount of information condensed. So it's quick, bam, 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 and you're never gonna get an opportunity ever like this. So everything else has to kind of fall down a little bit, but I've never come so far so quickly.
So how has this program improved your professional skill sets?
Professionally, it's absolutely amazing. Just the growth and the tricks and cool things that I've learned, and the way that the projects are set up to guide you to learning specific things. I've come so far.
Now that you've completed this program, what are your goals and expectations?
I'm looking forward to working for a magazine, possibly going back into the print industry, or maybe just continuing where I am and starting my own small business now and growing that over the next couple of years.